Hello friends, welcome to Coding Pirates YouTube channel. I am Pravin and in today's video I am going to explain what is data types and variables in C programming. Okay, they are very similar like integer. They are very common to all the programming language you studied or going to study in future. Okay, they are they are the common things that we have in all the programming languages. Okay, and variables, that is also a common thing. What is a variable? It is a varying entity. Okay, the value of the variable can change. You might have learned this in algebra, variables and constants. Yeah, the similar one. So I'm going to open a online C compiler, okay, to avoid any glitch. Okay, and here I am going to type online C compilers, online C compiler. Mm, Here I'm going to the online GDB. You can use this online gdb.com. Okay, that is also a good compiler. You can use that. Mm, mm, yeah. This one you can also this one you can use. Okay, this is also a good editor. Night mode and those things. Code blocks. I'm going to open that code blocks. Hmm. It will take some seconds. Okay, open new file and empty file. Save it as data types, data types and variables dot c. Okay, I have created a C file. Let me write the first program to test this. If this compiler is working fine, that is hash include stdio dot h and int main, the main function that we have discussed yesterday, int main and a printf simple hello world program. This one you are familiar because uh, this is the first program that you have learned in the last video. Okay, this is very simple and I have saved this and build and run. Okay, hello world, it has executed, so our compiler is working fine. Okay, let's get started. So what are data types in this? For example, in this int main line, this third line, okay, int main, here int is a data type. It stands for integer. Okay, so what are integers? If you are not familiar with it, integer means the values like 9, 8, -9, the integer value data type. Okay, and today we are going to just discuss the three data types. um those are the integer, float and character data type. Remaining we will see in the upcoming video. Okay, so what is int data type? It means the integer value data type like 9, 8, -9, like. Okay, and let me backspace it. And float, what is float? Float means the data types which represent the value like 8.9, 9.8, the decimal values. You can use negative decimals also. And character variable, char. Okay, what is that? It is the data type which represents the letters. Okay, letters. Okay, which represent the letters and words those are called character data type. Okay, and let us see what are variables now. Okay, so variables is nothing but a varying entity. That means its value can change. It will not be a constant. Okay, it will be a not constant value. And here I am going to declare a variable called number1. So before declaring the name of the variable, we should specify the data type. Okay, let me specify it as int num1 equal to 2. Okay, here int is the data type and num1 is the variable name. That means what does it tell? It tells that the values in the number1 variable should be an integer value, not a decimal or a character value. Okay, that's the thing. And this is called the variable declaration. Okay, variable declaration. I can't say that you can see this properly. If you are able to see this properly, that's okay. So how do we write comments in the C? Comments are the things that the C compiler would not take it in the mind itself. It's just for the user to read what is this, what does this line tell. Okay, comments can be displayed using this slashes, double slash. Okay, single line comment. And this is called the variable declaration. This int num1 is a variable declaration. It should end with this semicolon. And here I am going to give a variable for num1. We should just simply write num1 equal to minus 908. Okay, some value like that. Okay, and printf. Printf. Before yesterday we have seen that just hello, just type hello world and click on that build and run, it will display. But in the case of integer, float, character data types, it will not work. We should give a data type specifier. What is the data type specifier? So for integer it is d. So what does it tell to the compiler? Okay, it tells that I am going to print a integer value data type. Okay, integer value data type, percentage d tells that only. And come outside the double quotes and comma and num1 and semicolon. Okay, simple. And you can build and run it. Yeah, minus 908 displayed, right? Okay, and if you are giving a float, just change this int as float. The best thing about the float is you can also give the integral value, that is integer value, and also a decimal value. See, now I am going, but in the printf statement we should change it as percentage %f, that is the data type specifier for float. Okay, and build and see here, simply it shows minus 908.0000 something. So if you are using this float number and giving this integer value, it will display like that only. Instead, I instead of that I giving this minus 908.89, just build and run. Yeah, it has been displayed. Okay, okay, that's simple. And what is chr data type? Okay, char name. It's not num, it's name. Okay, and change this value name, and instead of these values we should not give the integer value or decimal values, nothing to this name. Okay, you should just give the letters. Okay, letters, English alphabets or any alphabets you want. Okay, inside the double quotes I'm going to type Pravin, that's my name, and instead of f we should write c, the data type specifier, and name. Just build and run. Just build and run. Okay, it's not displaying. So our name Pravin, our c name we can write it as null. Okay, the data type is not specified. RC, there is some compilation problem here. Okay, yeah, C is the data type specifier for the character data type. Okay, now this is the thing about the variables. Okay, variable declaration and what is variable. Okay, in the next video I will explain you what is scanf function, how to take the input from the user, and the remaining data type that are left, that those things I will teach in the next video. So if you like this video, if you watch till this, like this video and subscribe to this channel. If you don't like this video, tell me in the comments why do you not like this and give a dislike. If you like this, yeah, sure, you can give the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and you can share this video to your friends. I hope it will be useful for them and you also. So until next video, keep coding. Thank you.